Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to send applications via WhatsApp or via Messenger or via Gmail. The important thing is wherever you want to send applications. We will explain this using two very wonderful applications. I will let you choose from it now before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Like the video and share the video. Let's go to the explanation, with God's blessing. The first step, my friend, is to go to the application store that you have and download this application. The application is free and the way it works is very simple. You open the application. After that, you will click here, then choose the application that you want to share and send. Then click here. After that, you choose whether you want to send it via WhatsApp or via whatever or Telegram. Then click on Send, and the sending will be successful. The second application is also similar. You go to the application store. After that, you download this application and then open it. It is free. Then you choose the application that you want to send. Then click here. After that, you choose wherever you want to send it via, whether via WhatsApp or another application. Then click on Send. Only through this simple method, you can send applications via WhatsApp or anywhere else. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. If you have any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.